Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week, we are working with the syllable type long vowel silent E. The pattern is one vowel, then one consonant, and an E at the end. Remember, the silent E is not pronounced, and the vowel sound is long. Today, you're going to need a pencil, crayon, and marker. The first word we're going to do with long vowel A, silent E, is the word fake. A-K, fake. Find the vowel in fake. We have the vowel, then a consonant, then a silent E at the end. With your crayon, please write fake again. And then with your marker, please write fake for the third time. The next word we're going to write with our pencil is the word shape. Please finger stretch shape with me. Shape. 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 And you'll see the syllable type is long vowel, silent E. In our pattern, we have a vowel, consonant, silent E at the end. Please write the word shape with your crayon. And then with marker. Shape. Our third word today is brave. Please finger stretch the word brave. B-R-A-V. Brave. B-R-A-V. Brave. And there's that pattern. Vowel, consonant, silent E. That silent E is having the vowel say its name. Please pause the video and write brave with your crayon and marker. The next word we're going to write is the word state. Please finger stretch state. S-T-A-T. State. With your pencil, let's write the word state. S-T-A-T. That silent E is having that vowel say its name. Its name is A. Please pause the video and write state with your crayon and marker. Our next word is the word wave. Please stretch. Wave. W-A-V. Wave. With our pencil, let's write the word wave. W-A-V. Wave. Please pause the video and write with crayon and marker. Our next word is the word name. Finger stretch. N-A-M. Name. N-A-M. Name. I can see the pattern vowel, consonant, silent E at the end. Please write name again with your crayon and marker. Our next word is made. Finger stretch. M-A-D. Made. Please write the word made. M-A-D. Made. vowel, consonant, silent E. And I know that vowel is saying the long vowel sound A. Please write with crayon and marker. Our next word is the word lake. Finger stretch. O-A-K. Lake. Please write the word lake. O-A-K. With that silent E on the end that is not pronounced. Lake. Please write lake 2 more times with your crayon and marker. You're doing great. Our next word is the word blaze. Blaze. Please finger stretch blaze. B-O-A-Z. Blaze. B-O-A-Z. Blaze. Please write the word blaze with your crayon and marker. And our last word today is the word gave. Finger stretch gave. G-A-V. Gave. G-A-V. Gave. There's that long vowel silent E pattern. Vowel consonant silent E. Please write gave 2 more times. All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be coloring vowel, consonant, silent E words that makes the long A sound. Long A says A, A, A. Short A says A, A, A. So we're looking for words that say A. Our first word is race. Oh, I see that vowel, consonant, silent E, and I hear A saying A. Our next word is fan. F-A-N. Do you hear A in the word fan? Nope. What about lane? O-A-N. Lane. Yes, I hear A saying A. And I can look at the pattern. Vowel, consonant, silent E. Our next word is gave. G-A-V. Gave. Do you hear A saying the long vowel sound A? I do too. And I also see that pattern. Vowel, consonant, silent E. The next word down is pan. P-A-N. Pan. Is A saying A, or is it making the short vowel sound A? That's right. I hear the short vowel sound A, so I do not color it. The next word is fake. F-A-K. Fake. Do you see that vowel, consonant, silent E in the word fake? I do too. So let's go ahead and color the word fake because A is saying A. Our next word is man. A-N. Man. In the word man, do you see vowel, consonant, silent E at the end? Nope, either do I. So we are not going to color it. And you'll notice that the vowel is saying A, the short vowel sound. Our next word is mace. M-A-C. Mace. I hear A saying A, so I'm going to color that. Next word is sap. S-A-P. Sap. I do not hear the long vowel sound A. I hear the short vowel sound A. The next word is male. M-A-L. Male. Our next word is case. K-A-S. Case. And that follows our pattern of long vowel, silent E this week. Good job, detectives. And our last word is tail. Not the kind of tail that an animal has, but the kind of tail when you tell a story, like a tall tale. Okay, friends, in spin, read, and write, you know what to do, and same with word bank. Making sure if it's a tall letter, it goes in a tall box. If it's a short letter, you can put it in a short box, and if it's a basement letter, you make sure it goes into a basement box. You're doing great with long vowel, silent E pattern. Keep up the good work.